The world is indeed a beautiful place, but only for few. The sights, the exotic landscapes, the green trees and other spectacular things in life are there for us. We can see them, but there are a few unfortunate among us who can't see these wonderful things, for whom life is all about darkness. It is darkness for them because they are blind. Nazar Nawaz Charitable Eye Hospital is an honest and sincere endeavor to provide excellent eye care and surgery to weaker sections of the society since 2003 in Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is located in Nuh Tehsil of district Mewat, Haryana, and caters to the whole area of Mewat and few tehsils of district Talwar and Bharatpur in Rajasthan. 12 to 16 million people in India suffer from blindness. That accounts for 1/6 of the total blind population of the world. And to make things even more difficult, majority of this population lives in the rural areas. Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is up to the challenge and is relentlessly working to help the blind. There are estimated 11,000 eye surgeons in India. The eye surgeon ratio to the population is further disturbing. In the urban region, it is 1:20,000, and in the rural region, it gets worse. The ratio is 1:250,000. Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is doing everything in its power to change this scenario. Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is a non-profitable institution run by Nazar Nawaz Charitable Trust, committed to serving society through its state-of-the-art infrastructure, affordable eye care and eye surgery services. The social commitment to the weaker section of the society of the Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is evident from the fact that a 10L implantation costs around 6,000 rupees in the market. At Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital, the same 10L implantation is done for only 1,500 rupees. About 50 to 100 patients benefit from Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital daily. The hospital is run by volunteers and dedicated team of reputed eye surgeons. There is a staff of 25 people in the Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital. It has cured 12,600 people from blindness until now. There is a mobile unit to provide eye camps in the villages of different blocks. This unit has a vehicle, ophthalmic surgeons and the other paramedical staff. Most of the cataract surgeries are conducted through these mobile camps. Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital specializes in cataract surgery. The director of Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital, Mr. Juhuruddin Khan, always had concern and great desire to help the poor and underprivileged of the society who are suffering from blindness. He joined Eye Care Hospital in Noida and worked for 18 years as staff and learned everything he knows on the job. The same commitment is evident in the other members of the team as well. This talented team has achieved remarkable success in eye care and eye surgery over the years.
मेवात एरिया हरियाणा ये बिल्कुल पिछड़ा हुआ इलाका है। यहाँ के जो आई के मरीज थे वो सारे नोएडा, दिल्ली, भिवानी इस क्षेत्र में बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग जाते थे। जिनके थोड़े बहुत बेटा पढ़े लिखे हैं वो तो ले जाते थे, जो अनपढ़ हैं बिल्कुल वो तो बेचारे बस ही नहीं जान पाते, वो पहुंच ही नहीं पाते, वो अंधे ही रह जाते थे। तो मैंने ये सोचा कि यहाँ पर एक हॉस्पिटल नजर नवाज चैरिटेबल आई हॉस्पिटल यहाँ पर एक सेंटर बनाया जाए और जो वो इतना बेहतर हो, जो अच्छे से अच्छा सर्जन दिल्ली से आके यहाँ पर इन लोगों का इलाज करे। यहाँ पर गरीब लोग का बिल्कुल फ्री किया जाता है, जिसमें लेंस डाला जाता है, चश्मा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं। तो वहाँ पर मुझे डॉक्टर मनीष अग्रवाल नोएडा, डॉक्टर राजीव सुदन ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल दिल्ली और डॉक्टर नरोत्तमा सिंधु ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल दिल्ली, ये डॉक्टर राजीव गुप्ता, इन लोगों ने मुझे आइडिया दिया, हम आपका साथ देंगे और आपका जितने इलाके में ऑपरेशन होने लायक होंगे तो इस मिशन को हम गरीबों के साथ देके कम पैसे में आपका वहाँ पर ये इलाज करेंगे।
Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital has state-of-the-art equipment including phacoemulsification, microscope, indirect ophthalmoscope, direct ophthalmoscope, autorefractometer, slit lamp with chain unit, lensometer, tonometer, autoclave suction machine, YAG laser, retinoscope lens, refraction set, and other equipment and infrastructure along with trained doctors and staff to take care of the patients in remote, hard-to-reach places where there is a lack of hospitals and facilities. You can join hands. Though Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is doing everything it can to improve eye care services, lot of work needs to be done to improve things further.
5-1 साल से यहाँ पे आ रही हूँ सर्जरी करने के लिए। इस एरिया के लोगों का मैंने जनरली देखा है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सर्जरी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन जनरली वो नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं अपने हेल्थ को। तब तक वेट करते हैं जब तक कोई यहाँ पे फ्री कैंप हो और उनको मुफ्त में आँखों के इलाज का, स्पेशली कैटरैक्ट का इलाज का सहूलियत मिले, तभी वो आगे बढ़ते हैं। और ये चीज़ स्पेशली इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस जगह के औरतों के लिए। यहाँ पे फीमेल्स जब तक वो बिल्कुल पक्का मोतिया मैच्योर कैटरैक्ट के लेवल तक नहीं पहुँच जाता या ग्लूकोमा कैटरैक्ट की वजह से काला मोतिया बन जाता है, तब तक वो लेके नहीं आते। आँख में दर्द उठे या बिल्कुल दिखना बंद हो जाए तब वो लेकर के आते हैं। यहाँ पे इस हॉस्पिटल में यहाँ का जो स्टाफ है दे वेरी फ्रेंडली, दे बिलोंग टू दिस एरिया, इसलिए वो लोगों के साथ उनके कोलोक्वियल लैंग्वेज में बातचीत कर सकते हैं, उनके साथ आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। They're doing a good job here. In fact, once in a week I've been coming here and helping them out with their surgeries and मुझे खुद को बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके काम करने में, क्योंकि मैं खुद देखती हूँ कि यहाँ पे फ़ायदा हो रहा है लोगों को इस चीज़ से। We're trying to do our bit to give back to the society.
We at Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital would like to invite socially conscious people and organization to join our endeavor to improve eye care services, as is evident that such a human endeavor requires the contribution of many good people to serve a large number of people who are totally or partially blind. Your financial contribution will be very much appreciated by Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital and by those who are unfortunate to have an eye disease or are blind. The future of Nazar Nawaz Eye Hospital is full of ambitious plans to expand its infrastructure and services because we are committed to removing darkness from those eyes. Our reward has always been the happiness on the faces of those whom we have cured. For us, that is our real achievement. We promise that we will continue to work for society through professional, dedicated eye care services in the future.